Today, I'm on Billet Street in the heart of Taunton Town Centre. I have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this one double-bedroom, second-floor apartment, well presented throughout and complete with convenient lift access to all floors. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely apartment, or maybe evaluation on your own home, then please do get in touch.